are in Roccapalumba, which has produced wheat since ancient times. We are visiting just before harvest time. Emanuela grows heritage varieties for pasta. Next door to her farm is an ancient water-powered flour mill, best reached by jeep. This one is antique, and it makes the drive an adventure. The mill is 140 years old, and it is now used for demonstrations. Pino is grinding tumminia, a durum wheat variety which is used to make both pasta and bread. Pino has to judge the right amount of water for the right speed to grind the grains. The ground wheat contains the husk, so it needs sieving. The resulting flour has a nutty, almost sweet taste.
Sono Pino, sono il proprietario del mulino Fiaccati di Roccapalumba. Questa è farina macinata a freddo di grano antico siciliano, la tumminia, che è un grano, diciamo, dal neolitico che lo porta dietro la Sicilia, e il pane veniva un pochettino scuro, però dolce, un pane stupendo.
Allora, io farò i bucatini, lo faremo oggi alla trapanese.
Lucia blesses the flour before making the dough.
Mettiamo l'acqua poco a poco.
Adding water is all done by eye and feel, but for 1 kilo of flour you'll need about 450 ml of water. She forms a smooth dough, and instead of kneading it, she and Pino show us how a scanalatura works. In the days before electricity, it was used to knead large quantities of dough. I've only ever come across them in Sicily. At the other end of the bench, or spirone, is a torchio pasta extruder. You need a stiff dough to push through the brass dies. The day is very hot and humid, so Salvatore waves a plate to create a draft and help dry the pasta. As the pasta comes through the die, Lucia cuts it at regular intervals so the bucatini are all the same length. Turning the handle is also a good workout. She hangs them over a rod to dry further.
Adesso praticamente è pronta per andarla a cuocere.
Sì.
The kitchen is next door to the mill. Lucia's dressing is a no-cook fresh pasta sauce. She chops up plenty of garlic and peels the tomatoes. She has already blanched them in boiling water. She also removes the seeds. Lucia adds the chopped tomatoes to the garlic, shreds some basil leaves, and dresses the mixture with extra virgin olive oil. Lastly, she adds a good pinch of crystal salt. You can hear from the cicadas the day is extremely hot, and Lucia leaves the tomatoes to warm for 20 minutes in the sun. While they bake, Lucia cooks the pasta in boiling salted water for around 5 minutes. She mixes the drained bucatini with the warm tomatoes and finishes the dish with plenty of grated pecorino cheese.
Pecorino siciliano. Ed è pronta la pasta alla trapanese.
Adesso ve la mangiate.
Adesso ce la mangiamo.
È un piatto veloce che si preparava in campagna quando si lavorava solo e si doveva lottare contro il tempo. È un piatto che in 10 minuti si prepara e veniva gustosissimo eppure sostanzioso, con pasta, pomodoro ben maturo, formaggio abbondante, arome, aglio e prezzemolo. Più di questo non si poteva. Peccato che non posso fare sentire l'odore e il sapore. Venite e lo gustate.
Buono.
Buonissimo.
Buono. È buona vero?
Mangia, no?
E Lucia non lo sa.
This is a taste of summer. Buon appetito! Click on the subscribe button for regular helpings of Pasta Grannies.